Hello friends, I am Ravindra Kumar Gupta, ex-chairman S Chand Group and presently chairman of RKG Group, doing some social work also as my father late Shri Shamlal Gupta, Doyen of Indian publishing industry, and my great grandfather late Master Amir Chand, who was hanged by the British government on 8th May 1915 for throwing a bomb on Lord Hardinge in Chandni Chowk, Delhi. This presentation of high circle rates in the metro towns, particularly in Delhi, was the need of the hour. We all know that reality sector is 12% of GDP and is reeling under tremendous pressure. In my 48-page study, I have taken the circle rates of different categories since the inception of few metro towns such as Delhi, Mumbai, Gurugram, Chandigarh, etc. in a tabular form. In the beginning, I have shared some positive news amidst pandemic by various Indian states as well as UK. In last few months, some states have reduced the stamp duty and the lead has been taken by Maharashtra. For the states, stamp duty is a very big source of revenue collection which has gone down to a large extent. Delhi has done nothing in this direction and I have collaborated why high circle rates are deterrent to real estate sector in Delhi. In this study, I have shown circle rates since 2007 to 2020 on page number 6. The illogical pattern of increase in circle rate in 2011 and 2012 by previous government. The impact of illogical increase in actual collection vis-a-vis projection in budget of Delhi government is also discussed in chart from 2005 to 2020 on page number 8. Circle rates were increased irrationally without a study and giving no thought, particularly in A category where the rates were increased in the year 2011 by 2.5 times and thereafter increased by 3 times again in the year 2011 and then in 2012 in comparison to B category. Actually, the rates in the market are much lower than the actual circle rates, and so there is no sale and purchase and a big revenue loss to the states. In comparison, the circle rates in other metro towns as shown in this study have not been increased in such a manner, but still the scope of reducing is there in those towns. I have proposed how the circle rates in Delhi can be rationalized on page number 31, and also the collection of stamp duty can be increased for top categories and reduced in the lower categories. I have also proposed with example of shifting colonies from higher categories to lower categories due to shift of interest of buyers in due course of time, particularly in Delhi. I have also given the formula of stamp duty in United Kingdom on pages 27, 28 and 29, which is very interesting. More so, in England it has been announced no stamp duty will be levied on residential properties up to rupees 5 lakh pounds with effect from 8th July 2020 till 31st March 2021. Please also read the contribution by me in making of RERA on pages 41, 42 and 43. It started from my first mail in personal capacity to Ministry of Urban Development highlighting all the grievances of buyers way back in 2009. I also fought case with able support of General S.K. Bahari, Mr. Sanjay Bhasin, Pankaj Mahendru, Pradeep Upadhyay and team of our lawyers Mr. M.L. Lahoti and Mr. Vaibhav Gaggar against DLF, creating two associations and one against them in CCI, Competition Commission of India. This case was landmark case as after this common man came to know about the menace of builders and from Pan India the harassed allottees or buyers filed cases against builders and different courts gave decisions in favor of buyers. This movement later on forced the central government to formulate RERA on top priority. We met concerned officials and minister in urban ministry for speeding up the process of RERA, giving inputs from buyers' perspective and attending various seminars organized by the central government with regard to RERA under the umbrella of FAOA, Federation of Apartment Owners Association. Now we have given the baton to Mr. Abhay Upadhyay and his team to take this forward, as even after implementation of RERA there are various loopholes in the act which needs to be plugged. In I will say this is the time to take measures, otherwise it will be too late. The states have to reduce the circle rates in the categories where the rates are higher than the market, because when the states can increase it, why it can't reduce if the time demands, and in particular case of Delhi it has to be taken very seriously. So if we have to improve this sector, the solution is only to reduce the circle rates wherein these are higher, change stamp duty rates, and shifting of colonies from one category to another according to prevailing market rates and demand. Thank you very much.